If music is always present in your daily activities, but your device does not allow you to store many files, the solution is in one of the following applications. We present the best streaming alternatives you can listen to music without connection, premium, and without advertising. Spotify. It not only has music, it also offers podcasts. It allows you to save a playlist or create them in a personalized way. You can share them and download them. Send personalized suggestions to update your playlist constantly. Apple Music. Also available for Android. It has 4 categories in its interface. Library, here you will find its playlist and downloaded music. For You, where you will have recommendations based on the music previously heard. Explore, you will find new music, tops and videos, and finally radio. Deezer. In this application you can find more than 40 million discs available. You can see the lyrics of the songs, and it has a function that allows you to recognize and identify the music that is playing. Songcatcher allows you to identify unknown songs. SoundCloud. Much more than music and podcasts, it allows you to record sounds and share them on your social networks. Also geotag them and give information about their location. It's completely free. TuneIn Radio. If you prefer radio and multiple alternatives, TuneIn offers live sports, music, news, podcasts, and stations from all over the world. It is compatible with home, car, and laptop devices. It works with Amazon's Alexa and Google Home. YouTube. We know it as a video player par excellence, but now it offers a paid service which gives access to albums, playlists, and singles. Recommend your tastes and keep it updated with popular trends. Bandcamp. An alternative option that supports new producers and artists. You can access some content for free. For others, you can download them paying a fee established by the authors themselves.